Due to the difference in paper cup sizes, the cup collection rack has vertical and horizontal cup collection methods. We will match the most suitable cup delivery method for you. First, you need to connect the connecting pipe to the cup collection rack. Then connect the air pipe of the air compressor to the air pressure gauge of the cup collection rack. The air pressure needs to be stable at 0.4206 MPa. Pull up the knob to adjust the air pressure. Increase the air pressure clockwise. Turn counterclockwise to reduce air pressure. After confirmation, press the knob to lock the air pressure. After confirming that the power supply is connected, turn on the main power switch. The machine will automatically collect paper cups according to the settings.